see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
We're going to install this new curved light bar, 32 inch. It's pretty dope. It has a switch and everything. All the wires are included. And I just have it hooked up to the battery right now. Of course, you always want to test your product before you fully install it. So, turn them on. Boom. Now what's cool about this is it has a little remote. And you can turn it off or on. So you can turn it off. And you can turn, this is what I was turning off and on right here. Ooh, that's nice. So that's pretty cool. It has this, and there's a bunch of modes with this. I like this one, okay. You just got this amber one, I guess that would be like your legal settings, or you can have it off. Hey, it's good to have choices. So there's a bunch of modes, and of course you can turn on the main light part right here. The white light and amber light is the same in this model, so there's none of that. And there's also a flasher if you choose to have the flasher. But the main thing is that halo around the light bar, which is really cool. So, yeah. Let me turn it on again. There's a bunch of modes. Let's see if we can get this thing in focus. And here's cycling through the settings. This one's like reverse. Got some white in there. Pretty badass. So let's get this installed and figure out how we're gonna do this. So let's get this bumper removed. Easy enough. Alright, so I have my old light bar right here. It's the flat 32 inch from Oxmart. It's been pretty good, but you know, technology grows. We got the newer, cleaner, of course. Very similar. I'm just installing the hardware for these bad boys. And I'm gonna mount it to my front. This one also has a little little RF antenna. Okay. There it is. Massive. There it is. Let me make it more accurate to my eyeballs. It's pretty much looks like this. It's really bright, and yeah, it's pretty much finished up. When it hits the grill, it diffuses on those triangular pieces. Looking pretty colorful. Then you can change, of course, what I showed you guys earlier, the color. Alright, so got all the colors set up. Of course, you can change it with the remote. The range isn't too particular far, but it's adequate. The modes are what's really cool. I'm just show you like all the modes with it fully installed. Of course, I found a license plate covering it. yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm really happy with it. Of course, you can turn on the main light right here, which is the full 32-inch light, not just the halos, but the halos is interesting, of course. And the output is pretty good behind the grill and the license plate, and it's still outputting when you turn it on. Yeah, lighting up the whole garage up here. I like it. My only gripe is I wish the range was a little bit longer. I'm gonna mess with the antenna a little bit, but other than that, it's been good. You can have the, let's see if you can see, yeah, you can barely see the halos around it, but in person you can see it a little bit better over the lights. Generally, I guess a lot of truckers would have the amber lights on, something like this, with the halos. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns below. That's pretty much it. Peace out.